Among the many varieties of peppers, ringer peppers rank second to the Hass variety. The reason for its fame is the wide range of health benefits that the cultivar offers. Before going forward, please do subscribe and watch till end this video. We don't want you to miss any benefits of ringer peppers. Green beans are another fruit-bearing variety that comes with many health benefits. These are good for digestion as well as for your complexion. Unlike other types of vegetables, you can eat them even with a grain course. Onions, as a matter of fact, work better than green beans for your digestion, and the benefits of ringer peppers are obviously much more than for your skin and digestion. Vitamin C is an important ingredient in the health benefits of ringer peppers. Not only does vitamin C help your immune system, it can also keep your skin healthy. If you feel that your skin is dull and itchy, try taking a vitamin C supplement. It is great for the skin. Some varieties of the ringer plant contain fewer seeds, which make them less likely to cause lactose intolerance. But check with your doctor before you eat this variety. It might be best to avoid the seed portion entirely to avoid lactose intolerance problems. Liver disease is associated with this variety of pepper, and this can also benefit those who suffer from liver disease. To get maximum health benefits, you should use this pepper in its raw form or in oil. In its raw form, it can prevent diarrhea, which is common in those who suffer from liver disease. You can also find ringer peppers that have a spicy flavor, which can contribute to stomach discomfort. If you do not like the way it tastes, then avoid eating it. And when you do consume the plant, just use a little bit of the seeds to sweeten it up a bit. Certain forms of antioxidants can be found in the health benefits of ringer peppers. This is good news, since antioxidants may help protect your health in many ways. For example, they help reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, and even Alzheimer's disease. Just as your body needs vitamin C for good health, so do your teeth and your bones. So, if you're interested in the health benefits of ringer peppers, you should definitely check out this variety. They are probably your next favorite variety.